Class 2nd grade, this is Module 7, Lesson 8. So we have some word problems here that we're going to do. And we learned that the first step to a word problem is to actually read the word problem. So it says Alyssa has five $5 bills, 12 $1 bills, and 3 $10 bills in her wallet. How much money is in her wallet? So we're not working with coins today. We are working with dollar bills. We're working with 10s, 20s, $5, and $1 bills. So how many $5 bills does Alyssa have? Let's go ahead and draw a picture out to kind of help us figure out how much she has in all. So she has how many $5 bills? It says right here. 5. Okay, so let's do 5 5s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And how many $1 bills? There's 12, so let's do 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And how many $10 bills? 3. 1, 2, 3. Now we can add all of this together. Now what I like to do is I like to start with the biggest amount first. So which bills is the greatest value? Is it the 5s, the 1s, or the 10s? The 10s. So we can just count by 10s. So let's see, 10, 20, 30. What's the next biggest value? The 1s or the 5s? The 5s. Okay, so we had 30 there. Now let's count by 5s from 30. 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. And now we can just count by 1s. So 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67. So how much money did she have? $67. And we have a dollar sign up there at the very beginning to show that they are dollars and not cents. Okay, the next one here. Patrick has 1 $10 bill, 2 $5 bills, and 4 $1 bills. How much money does he have? So we can draw a picture and we can count up how much money he has. So he has how many $10? 1, okay, and how many $5 bills? 2, okay, 1, 2. And how many $1 bills does he have? 4, okay, let's put 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we can count up how much money he has. Like I said, I like to start at the biggest amount. So right here, what is the largest amount of dollars do we have? The 10. Okay, so here's 10, and we just have 1. So let's count from 10, and we're going to count by 5s because 5 is the next largest. So let's go 10. What comes after 10 if we're counting by 5s? 10, 15, 20. And now we're going to count by how much? 1s because these are $1 bills. So we got 20, 26, 21, 22, 23, 24. How much do we have? $24. And I have my dollar sign here to show that it's $24, not 24 cents. Okay, I'm going to read this one to you, and I want to see if you can try and figure out this one on your own. Silas uses 2 $20 bills, 3 $5 bills, and 4 $1 bills on a gift for his aunt. He is going to save the rest. If Silas started with $80, how much will he save? Go ahead and do this problem on your own, and then we'll compare answers when you're done. So push pause and then push play when you're done. So what I did first was I wanted to add up how much money he actually spent on the gift. So let's add the dollar bills that he did. So how many 20s did he use? 2. So let's put 2 20s. How many $5? 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. And how many $1? Looks like 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now it says that he started with how much? He started with 80. So let's put 80 there. And let's count how much we have here to see how much he spent, because we're going to have to subtract what he started with how much he spent to see what he has left. Okay, so let's see. Let's count by 20s. So let's just count by 2s because that'll be easier, and then we can add a 0 at the end. So 20, 2, 4. And that is $40 altogether because we're adding a 0 at the end. So 42, 4, 20, 40. Now let's count from 40 by 5s. So starting at 40, we're going to count by 5s. Here we go, 40, 45, 50, 55. And now we're going to count up by how much? 1, so 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. So we got 80 minus 59. And I'm going to do this vertically because that is how I like to do it. You may subtract it however you would like, any strategy that you've learned. So we can't take 9 away from 0. So what do we need to do? Right, we need to give it a 10, and we're going to take it 1 away from that 8 because it's so super nice to give us a 10. And the 8 turns into a 7. So what's 10 minus 9? 1. What's 7 minus 5? 21. So he saved $21. Okay, we have Raja has $60. He gave one $20 bill and three $5 bills to his cousin. How much money does Raja have left? Go ahead and solve this on your own. Push pause and then push play when you're done, and we'll compare answers. Okay, so what I did was I drew out my dollar bills here. So it says there's one $20 bill. And there's how many 5s? 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. And he didn't have any $1 bills or 10s. So that's all he gave his cousin right here. So it said that how much money did he start out with? $60. So let's put 60 up there. And let's find out how much he gave his cousin. So let's start at 20 because there's just a $1 $20 bill. Let's count by 5s because that's what we have next. So 20, 25, 30, 35. So he gave his cousin $35. We're going to subtract that from 60 because that's what he started with. He started with $60. He gave his cousin $35. Let's find out how much he has left. Can we take 5 away from 0? No. So the 6 is going to give us the 0 a 10, and it's going to become a 5. What's 10 minus 5? 5. And what's 5 minus 3? 2. So he has $25 left. It is now your turn. You're going to get your exit ticket. You're going to solve these. Make sure you show me your work, how you solved each one. You have plenty of space here to do that. Take a picture, seesaw it to me. This first one says, Josh had 3 $5 bills, 2 $10 bills, and 7 $1 bills. He gave Susie 1 $5 bill and 2 $1 bills. How much money does Josh have left? Number 2 says Jeremy has 2 $1 bills and 1 $5 bill. Jessica has two $10 bills and two $5 bills. Sam has two $10 bills and four $5 bills. How much money do they have together?